It was the day of event of my house's construction. There are so many villages are footing off with this village named Kotlanga. They were worked accompany with my family members. We were being worked together whenever the work was going on that moment at my village on my house. Everything was completed and at last we were constructed on the top of the terrace, which we can say terrace. And whenever we're gonna constructed and we're gonna pave that terrace, we just arranged so many peoples from our village, and those villagers helped too much as well to us. And it was the wonder day of my village. You can see all the people are here who all are working together, having fun together while constructing this house. Here, you can see some of the peoples, ladies, girls, boys, and so many peoples who all are accompanied with my family members. Here, you can see my younger brother who is climbing up that ladder. And inside, you can see my father looking, and those students are going around and crossing to my house, and some of the girls who and you can see this is my younger father, and he also participated in this event. And it was not only event, it was the auspicious day, I think. And so many people's young brothers, elder sisters, and so many peoples are here who all are accompanying with us. And this event was going on that moment, and here you can see my mother and my cousin uncle, lot many peoples, and my cousin sister are here, my cousin sisters are here, you can see. And the work was going on as well on that moment. We worked together with so funny, and it was pleasure day, but it was father, they are distributing the rice, dal and curry. And you can see elder brother who is already passed away just before 1 month ago. Rice, and this was the person of SC category, which you can see. And this boy it belonged to another village. Okay dear friends, it was all about the construction of my house at village called named Kotlanga. And thank you so much for watching, and have a great auspicious day and have fun. Take care of yourself. Till then, goodbye.